O nisi nei o tātou report i mwhaina tūwha tasia Hello Radio Samoa. E tō tolo ni ali iwa mōlia nei lumol farm sinonga i ngai o inga tau whaase se. E au fiai se sa ave ma whaatonu po se manager o se tasi o pūlenga po councils. Whamawina o ia ngai o inga so tū la fono na mawhai o no lātou mawai le silia ma le se fulu 2 miliona tā la. Ai whaatau taingo le nei farm sinonga na te ena umai ia li e tō tolu o lātou mōlianga. Tawe reporti na whaatino e ia tangata e tō tolu o ni whainga tau whaasasea ngā i pūlenga po councils a aukilani makapiti. Whamanino mai le sui o le Serious Fraud Office po le SFO e tofu ia li mamolianga ta ilua. Fiso ta ile i le maua ai o tupe e ala i whainga tau whaasasea. Whamawina lo masalo mia le SFO o le sa whainga luenga le council sa ngā lue i ngā luenga te tele mo le pūlenga o lo o afia ai le taimi lava lea sa ia whaatautai ai fo o se company insinia whaatasi ai mai sia li e tō lua. O lo tua ia na ia whaongaina lona tūlanga i te tonu o le council e whesui ia i ma whaasese ai le whaasolongo o le whiwhili ai o company e maua kon karate mo ia ngā luenga te tele. Ta ua le SFO e tusa ma le tasi tesi ma le 7 miliona tā la na maua le company ma le Auckland Council i le vao le lua afes fuma tasi ma le lua afes fuma 5. E se fulu tesi ma le 5 miliona na maua mai le Kapiti Coast District Council i le vao le lua afes fuma 5 ma le lua o lua wha. Na tūla i uma i lātou le whamsinonga whaitu mālo i Porirua. Lea nau lātou te enai mōlianga whaia whaasanga ia i lātou. Ai wa tā ua o le a whaasolo lea whamsinonga mai iai whaatonu po le jury trial. O lo tā whia uma le whaalau ilo ina, whaalau e tele o sua foia li e tō tolu. E tai wala au lea whamsinonga i le aso suma 5 Septemba. Inisa talo o whaamania mai nei le mawhai ei o nonofo o se tamai titi ma sona tua whawhine mai Amerika i to tono New Zealand. E ala i tūlanga o surfa inga po le asylum i to tono le atunu. Ina ua mae a se ilo i longa o tūlanga tau puipuinga mo ia whanau. Whailo mai whaamaumaunga a le malo i le taimi nei e silia ma le lua se fulutanga ta Amerika o talo sanga mo asylums i to tono o New Zealand. Talo mai le tau sanga lua o. Ai whaamawino ia whanau e whaape o ni tangata nuu Amerika ma tangata nuu Yoritana. Mana talia o la ua talo sanga o no popo lenga ilo la saonga le mu. Pe a whai e tue awina atu i Yoritana. Tawe reporti ma le tio whawa malo a New Zealand e le ima mao atu lava na talia le talo sanga o lo latina. O se tamai ta i Yoritana, ona o ni mata apu tau i sauwanga i to tono ainga na awhiai. Ta ua le Immigration and Protection Tribunal o lato popolenga i le ono toe whaafoia to whanau Yoritana i lalo le vava ainga o lo lato tama. Lea na sosola SMI ai, ona o le sawa tele. Peitai o le tele o isi talo sanga a tangata Amerika mo asylum i te tono New Zealand lea ua whaamawina o te ena. Ona o nisi o ia talo sanga na whaamai mai i popolenga i winga i la au malosi o fe SSE inga whaaporkiki matulanga o le COVID sumaleiva. Mai tala mulmuli o whaamania mai nei le tāpena ai o le lakapiliki a au Setalia e au mai i New Zealand le tālonga o le State of Origin ma le a whaatautaya mō le ulua i taimi to tonu o Aotearoa nei. Ua whaamaunia o le tālonga lona lua o le whaangasoloai o le tāmirsanga a lii i le tausanga fau o le a whaia le i Eden Park au kilani i le asolulu sfumale ono iuni lua o lo fitu. Whamawina o le afuafuele NRL le whaatino ai o Pōkalami mo le vai aso atoa i le anga atu le tālonga i Eden Park. Ma o le a whiai foi se tālonga le New Zealand Warriors i le aso sa au le whetaui le Queensland Maroons ma le New South Wales Blues. Na sau no le pule le NRL ya Peter V'landys o le State of Origin e ese lava tūlanga o whaatino ai o lea tāmirisanga ma i isio tālonga i tutono au Setalia. Ma o to tele tangata mai isio atunu wa moli mawina le fia tele i le tamirisanga o le lakapiliki. Ta ua e tusa ma le 5 afi tangata ma whaiona o i le malai o le Eden Park. Ma o lo whaamoemoe e lo lofi mai ai le to tele e mulmulita ia le alonga mai au Setalia, New Zealand, whape ai ma atunu i whafo. O nisi nao tātou reporti o mwhaina tu whaatasia lo Radio Samoa mo lau whaafonga anga, whaafetai whaafonga mai, tau whaasoifua.
Ole way fa fonga I so to tonga dau tātou tala I le vang o la woli ya mai vai whanua o New Zealand e pe o la tāperina ma fonga datu le whionga ia leunua I ali ai sa hucho le vang o telefo ala radio Samoa ma lo ngā lua ma lo le whai o le whaiva ya sauni loai tāperatu lo sa e tanga e piki le whanawa onga I le tua I o a onga I se teimia le o toi ma mau. O se venga nei le tātou tala o le tau mo le somla so an tai au e pe ora ua mai le ofiso le va I tau a wala valo no fosi la fia. O le sofa mai e langi le lei le tau sa vili angi mai le tu I saute. O le mawhanawhana o le reia so lulu le aso le tupu se fulu ma le tolu tiki ripi tai e le ma I ansa o le manu lua le po ana nei na o sina tolu an tiki rile na e wha moe le lei o e le manu lua le asa o le po ana nei e le wha moe o le angotole lai le toi iwa mirute le itu lai ono I le fiafiana nei. O le venga mala so antai au mo au kilani o so ane le la I le toi lua mirute le itu lai fitu I le tai au. Pa mai e langi le leile amatanga o le tai au ma o le a iaifo I le aisa marifi ia po le morning frost. On whaatupula ia leo le awa o langa iantu I le awa li a tai au. Ia mai ono iaina I wanga I ono to ula vava solo I nisi no fuanga I au kilani I le awa li. So really o le angi mai le itu I saute le asoa tai au. E ma talo whantua I le rivaenga o le awoli a inga wo me ma sani Samoa ma lo le ngalue. E ma lo foi le whai o le whaiva vau teile mauta mai. E lunga o le tātu wala leo I Samoa o le tasi o no tesi ma le tasi whamo. O winga ne o le tau I Samoa I le sofa me o au savili o le mata polu savili mai sasai. O lo o fiti hai pēr Samoa mai au mai au marai timwea a fia I le anturu I nisi o taini. O le vainga mo tumu ai le so e mantele ina le lei winga o le tau o le ayai o le talafifiele o yeini fautuanga po ni lapta inga mo se moa I le ringa sululu. O le vainga mo le motele sala fai e mantele ina le lei winga o le tau e ma se vainga le so antai o le au fiti se vainga o le langi au ma e ono fa antau tau sa vili I nisi o no fuanga. O le tulanga nei o le ayai winga o le tau. E le ngata mo le soa fa before I le so antai au mo au kilani ma Samoa e beora ua mai lea ele ofisa o le va ai tau.
Radio Samoa. Taslima Ivatolu. Amo.
Tutuila I say if I fia tomorrow Pelu peluiva O te mana tua e fia I loa funa loa ina O ita mai po tasi o te tiua I le lalolangi Si o unu si le tangai Uai ele fale mai ma fale ao Na papalani O matai e ia le vai o fiso ta fe atu I le sami E ia I male ala la o papa ua fai le ama e vai vana Tasi ua siri le matolasi Manu usafe si o umatotu mai I le sami Sao ia la ia E te tali tonu ai Awa o si o unu E se male fai me ama fai Solo le mai moanga Ito tonua lo unu o po tasi mawhanga malama E susu ai tua tanga te whai fua o se tala O nai a upu lenga le whaale tonua I lewa se tangata A whai e te le usita I e te uoi I le pama A whai ua fiu o le nuku o le asawali loa I te ala E po tasi ua sili le matalasi Manu sa pesi o umoto tunai I le sami Sauria la ia E te tali tonu ai Awa o si o unu E se male fai me ando fai E lue tapua I nga autu I si o unu Le e whakasa Mare katoliko ona paulela E mori a tau na ngai lea tua mo tangata una Ina ia manuia a inga I le malo o lea tua Pa amalo tua tangaloa mamele I se ala Le uso ali I lufi luf na tau lang yua atoa E tele o ngā lue ngā ua o toa uwhaia Ma o le mea muli muli Samoa e masau lo uwai pai pa E po tasi ua sili le matalasi Manu sa fesi o umoto tunai I le sami Sauria la ia E te sali tonu ai Awa o si o unu E se male fai me amba fai E po tasi ua sili le matalasi Manu sa fesi o umoto tunai I le sami Sauria la ia E te sali tonu ai Awa o si o unu E se male fai me amba fai
All I hear is Radio Samoa, Radio Samoa, Radio Samoa. Tasilima iwa tonu amo.
Radio Samoa, kasilima ivokuru amo.
Fi le ganga e tue fa tala fantu le riva ngola woli ma tango fiere o la solulu la solutupu o la so mali va o ma sino kuso lua fe lu male ono tanto te vesila fa ai e lumo no ai le tu no il rifo ia so e fa popo lo tu so e fua e ma lo ma tu ne yola ma lo la blanca we ma lo fe yo favor e ma lo foi le tau tai tu te banga wenga pe o le fianga ai malo tu pa ia malo tu malo le nganti tono ni sila e fa pe foi e a tu no e ma fa wa wina o le tu ala wala le Radio Samoa tasi lima I watolo wa moi au ki lani mala tasi o no tesi mala tasi fa moi Samoa ma lo lavele on sai ma lo e ale fa ma losi Ja, o le fu tātou whenga iei le neivāenga o le awoli se o lia fōi ia le tāo le wha. Ai le suela na fōi le sunga ia le tau sa veama le polokalame nā o le nganga i fō whaiva. Au le MCA le polokalame masani. Ja, o le malu i whale pe o le whaatasi mai ele whalitua ia e me le palamo. O le loan market. Tia marisi fōi o ana malo e le te o le whapea mai a tātou tala mai le Pasifika ma le lalolang. Ja, o le te o le leila, ia e pēla wana masi ia e le tautua wha wawa le sunga lewa, ia tawi meni, e mal whalitua ia ngalmalmana na tasha wa i lua lewa tātou a waindi. I le a woli ma funga mua, ia ma lo lewa le ono sai, ma lo le wha ma lo losi. A vai foi la, io e na siaki lau pe paloto. Ia, o siaki lau pe paloto. E le ilo po o lau pe paloto le na manu malo le $2 miliona dala. Ia ai ono sai mai na se i matula dala le ono ta watu le pitonu. Le na fata wele pe paloto le da. Ia e fata vantu le di vango le woli e wona pa ia le tua o tau swina le pawai lola e so se fata fai tau la lava tono ni sila matro mamau. Ma lo le talo malo foi le ono sai pa anga masani le tanto wala leo. E tu i maila muli panga tono mauta malawa i lea aso mana ufuanga lo tau sia ilo o tau soifua malo loina ma lo la vale on sai ma lo le fa ma lo no si tamama tina ma tutua o a mai o lua o a mai oe o a mai o tau e se fale la langa le nai fia ngai o a ni mata o puta ua o le nai tau te fa soa iai ya le lei i oe le malo siuludu o a mai ngā luenga o le nifo ia solulu a afa ia le nifo i vai aso o whenga iele turu mga wenga tūte ma whaiva lo filima. Ia le whanau a onga i o e ui ai na malulu. Ia ai le ma whai on tu wale au da tu leo nei tātu wala ma whanau fo ia onga e pei ona masani. Ia tātu ono sa. Kuantalon tolu le wa tātu iene. Ia leo toi umi fo le ni masino kuso wha whilo ia tu le masino September. Ia ona tula la tātou fo ila ia leo tātou ile lotua tamaiti su enga whai o le tausanga ia kirisi masilo ma le kausanga fo ia nga koeri piki fo ila ia leo le tātou sa valinga i le tātou sanga fo pe a tātou o le lofa blanga leo le tua. Ai o le pepa loto $2 miliona tolu vai aso ile ianga ia tu tangata ia na le pepa loto e claim lana malo $2 miliona cara. Ai famiglia tala o le pitonu o Blockhouse Bay. I nai le famiglia Blockhouse Bay Post Shop and Stationers. O lea sa fata wina il pepaloto lea e le whaia le se i lea sulusuma lima o le masina o Iulai. Ia, mara tuola whailonga i lea vai tau o le tausanga e $5 miliona tala. Ia to lua i la ua ia na manu malo ai. To tasi la lewa umana tala i tuola na $2 miliona tala. Ia ai to tasi la le tangata. O lele ianga ia tu e tala la na ele ia le miliona. E $2 miliona tala. Io. Ia kangolo siaki va leila o pepa fai wakia i la pisi. Ai le siaki ina. Ia alu koe langa mai lunga la pisi. Ia o ina i le for Blockhouse Bay Post Shop and Stationers le de fanta wina a faina e ia ina i le $2 malfa e pole $2 malimo Iulai po se aso la volenava i aso o lumana ia le se ina o le tanto loto le nava ita ia o lona winga tauna si akila pepa ia pele o inga walaki a fai fo e ki unlucky ia ono sa wa paula wa wakako an la laki a koiva e tavi to sui fa tau talo fa tu dai Penrith le ma to me le diva ngola moli ta ele to la panya li peleva before i Rachel Sifa mala inga Point England a tessa seta Filippo va before il tina ya sina leo e ma uto mala vole ma fu to me le diva ngola moli ma lo le nga lui va taile fa ai no le tutua ale Radio Samoa ya o to nga wenga tutu ma faiva lo filima le nga tu leo ni sio fa fa nga wenga ma fu to me ia mingo ingoi malia ilu
Tala noa manu lenga ngā nai o le tae au O awe o le la o a punitia po i puau E sau malu e wha asusu i lau la au Sa Sala le fungala au matala uau E tio fo i Samoa fai o na taiau Le amatanga o le asofa a popo o le olanga Le taiau nai matani ufea ngai ma le ata Le tala le ua so ai nei Samoana I se ti tau pau le sua malie o le vine ula Ma pau fonga o le lupe lunga o le moso oi pula Le langa ali ua pua ina mai lona manongi Le asoko ua foa ina i le Samoa moni E tio fo i Samoa fai o na taiau Le amatanga o le asofa a popo o le olanga Le taiau nai matani ufea ngai ma le ata Le tala le lei ua soko ai nei Samoana Valo ia I mapaupauna E inga ua whaako ia tui le matai Tangata soi fua ua oli oli ma whaapetai Le tio o I Samoa whai o na taiau Le amatanga o le asofa a popo o le olanga Le taea o nai matani ufea ngai ma le ata Le tala le lei o aso o ai nei Samoana Le tio fo I Samoa fai o na taeau Le amatanga o le asofa a popo o le olanga Le taea o nai matani ufea ngai ma le ata Le tala le lei ua so o ai nei Samoana
Siva Maya. Hey, hey. Let me hear your whisper. Let me hear you sigh. Let me put my arms around you. Let me kiss you now. To my
wa solo Siba ilunga malalo Awe ata maya Ata maya ia mana ia le tato waso Ata solo Ata ilunga malalo Awe lue maya Lue maya ia mana ia le tato waso Lue sono Lue ilunga malalo Awe si
Si formali le sunga ya Dennis Ayek ya marpese siva mai ai le vai ngola woli yo e siva ne la ta vale tanga i pikil fana wa onga ya ba ya ni te wa yo e wa se ya la tala noa ya ma e fa pe ai o nice stop pare wati ya o ai ne lo ele ai no stop le wati ya o ma fu e mi ngoia le vai se con le wati I time ai le fa pe foi le ai tu le moli mo na va pele oi la wasta pa ma le va le wat ava pe foi o nai te tala no mo le sili mami no tenta fi le no le va le wat ele io la mi ngoi le va le wakila ko lo no winga fu ala mi ngoi le no le tai ai le va pe fu le tai mi la mi ngoi o le mena le ala ina tela ina ta tu ya o na le pule ala ka malo ma ko ia ke mi ngoi e ke manga e fa ka di mai le loku se e afio kon kwa makale le loku e ke manga o voi le se e afio kon kwa makale le fong ai o nga va ver fong o nga manga o le va ve uma kwa mai ska o se on ponga nga o ka ko e va mai nga wa yo ja wat talen van toe naar de Australië Steve maar weer ding ja zo le so ya Josef Alessandro so ya fa avanti per il suo fa va io pui le malo lo me pone ja ma fa ma da tu si so na ya va al seu limite le fo ja awal so on fel wa io le la vai malo lo tanto ida ja ma awal so on tango mena melo lolo afu ai ona fula mo meu tempo li fula mo meu io tempo vai wa falik tu lain lua va io e tu ai pikil fana wa onga
me e ma fau mo moi se ngan wenga fa leo o le me sali man kau na te tape nei na oi mo so of annoying al wenga fa leo ele ngata i latino ai fa pe fo il ma fau mo le poto ma sani o lo iai fa ya onga nga va la to te so ani lau fa nga malanga e iai va senga le afiafi e fitawi le mau fuanga e fa angata le stala le aso lua tasi o aukoso lua afi lua ono e tele avano ese awa light to e fatali tanga iane le msltraining.co.nz pe vala au le oval pselau lua fa tolvalu oval pselau lua fa tolvalu your future starts here pui lo ainga i le tau malulu au e te fatali fatonu nei lo tu yer fulu a fai mono li mau tau sanga pe o vatu pe maua o e singa se tu mau mai tanga po maua foi so walo i singa se tau manava e ma fai ona fai fualo tu yer fulu tanga ya nei le upenga te fai langi bookmyvaccine.health.nz e vave to fai ngo fie mo fa pesili manisi fam talanga really mai le vaccination helpline o valu selau lua valu lua iva lua ono o valu selau lua valu lua iva lua ono po o le fono o valu selau tolu ono fa valu o valu selau tolu ono fa valu e sili le puipuia na ilola tonga fitia fai nei lola utuir fulu
Radio Samoa Tasilima Ivatolu Amo Radio Samoa
Tasilima tu amo.
Uaba aya ilunga o maunga
nga whaapai Se I sau no ala e Samoa Amata ususu lea Yuli alu ile atoa Sulu ile malo mamalua ile tuinga salani le uua ovale I ila Awalunga ioleta So asili le mata ina Fai mamalule faiva Isilile sila sila Taula wangaba Isio sasa Ele mamaluna youla Esili atulava iona poneila Samoa mamalua ila valo sau noa Yolo anele fua malepa o fai mali ole pati malepo Seifa solo fei wasaongi ya malene ya So ala tele la vale fata fiti Kaualunga le sona ta fiti Uteo fia ngafa asamo Moni lava uasili Fai mamalule fai Isilile sila Taula wangaba Isio sasa Ele mamaluna youla Esili atulava iona poneila Samoa mamalua ila valo sau noa Fai mamalule faiva Esilile sila Saula wangaba Isio sasa Ele mamaluna youla Esili atulava iona poneila Samoa mamalua ila valo sau noa
Lisi o whawhiwhianga sui whawhiloi o le rivahengo le awoli teitolu mo i au ngā ruenga tiutima whaiva lo Filima. E pei o na whenga iei fo i le pei ema le malo le tātou turu o i le nei a so lulu. So sumale vere o le masina o kusolu a whelus folu maleono. O le aso na fina to e usui ai le fono le parlemene o le tātou turu. O le aso fui na file na whaatauto ai e le sui a whaipole. O le tumalo whapalo tau sa whata lua. Le to whaia tu ia le toa vaitongi. E pei fo e ona muli mawina le tātou tro I whasa longa tu sa o mai le pāle bene I le aso ana dafi. E le nganta fo I lea o le fo ina wha mawina ai I le to fia. O se tasi o toi utaia o le tātou wa pāle mene. Le suia whaipule le whionga ia tea to ala peato. E avea le mastasi o minista fo te tono al kabineta le tātou malo I le nei fo I veitau o le tausanga. O le to finga e avea o ia ma minista o le fono au whaitu la fono. Anto ai lea ma le fo I ofisa o le komisina o sulufa inga I te tono o le tātou tru. O tofi ai nei la le tofai atuia e avea ma minista langolango I le fionga lea I le li minista ia tea peato. E mole to ele fa malo ma le fa tai le tampo inga fo ia ainga ma le tru I nei to finga te tele pe ona fa tauto ina lea e lea so na nafi e le nganta vo lea o lea ua fa ai lo mai ai e ale fa tauto ina I fo I ma le fa maluina o se tasi o to finga ma wa lunga e te tonu o le tātou tru o le to finga lea o le pule ma le su e tu Cecilia le malo o lea ua tofia iai le fionga ia wha moe tau loa wha savalu a siulen. E avea o ia ma tātou su e tu sili lea le malo. E pei o na wha ilo mai fo I le aso na nafi. O le na wha pea o na whautu ai nai. E le fionga le li pāle mia ia lea mamalo o le tātou malo. I lea fo I tofinga. E pei o na wha tautoina lea I le aso na nafi. E wha malo tu I fo e le fo i tamali o le tātou tano ia la kanto fo i le o le afo o le tāpua i ngā ainga wō mai masat ia ona o le nei fo i tofinga mawalunga i tutonu o le tātou tano e pei ona wha alawi loa lea ma wha tautoina i le asoana nafi ia wha malo antu ia Lupe Brown wa befo ia fuanga Tavita ia e malo la vali le whai o le whai le nei vaenga o le a wōli wa tūlanta lawa i le ting e tu waia onga alefana o lewa tois fulvalu minute ona ta leo le tu la e tolu le ia wot e a fai maule onga alefana wa e kwai mo ia
le ai se tasi e fa alua ina o ele mana mea a opa I atu ele ai se na te ave e sea tae ualia ina ualilo atu o folinga usue se mafutama ai whaamutaina o oeolo ufatu male malo si anga o umana onga a uolo foa ilene yolanga o faa sosonga lo ufatu ua tae ua e sola ae tu ua usue se mafutanga ae whaamutaina whaanoa noa ita whaapea ita ele melea le mafutanga mawhana po o ai wana umu esea le alofa mo oe ele whaalua ina lea usue se mafutanga ae motusia ina tau mawhai I se mea e ngā tai o te tau tino atu lo alofa mo oe e le ngā tamai ta fia fo I atu e mawai so umapusama usue se mafutanga ae whaamutaina Whaanoa noa ita whaapea ita ele melea le mafutanga mawhana po o ai wana upu esea le alofa mo oe ele whaalua ina lea usue se mafutanga ai motusia ina Whaanoa noa ita whaapea ita ele melea le mafutanga mawhana poho ai wana upu esea le alofa mo oe ele whaalua ina lea usue se mafutanga ai motusia ina fainga ua fao I luma I le ave mawhaia na fika Ua tui ko I lana mata Te patasi I lana whaata Te I lava wa ata na oia I lona Ua soa suinga le kia I taimi uma Ao le musika ua mata hoi o me kiki I luna Se le Afrike se tutu mai musika reti Sabalole ato at sau fight sau wana lima sene shoot ai musu musu ane lole supo kako e ala chala alu e ilalo so e sipile ato amo ile tawau su ilunga masau na me baka tai masiana atsa paka sekitangata shupiri ba aole ave pasi ufa a ibilona mata Saule mole manaba Kai musu e tala le aso Lai au tilo mai tanata Io kolaba I se keke pua e le mawalaba Tui tui le la a pasa oa I le maketi Lua pani keke ai Nule pai patali e tamaiti Tau mana pa se keke mo emo mata
fa viviana mai siva venga wale sila ni vang ole woli na uan toe valu miru cholo cholo tale ole chula e tolu ta folo tolu ona e fa fonga se fa bo pona on ta tala i vang fodua ole ni fo i vang ole woli de ole solulu as subariva ole ni masida o au puso lua fe lua se folo maleono a fe ole vuto ma to ya fa tal van tu ile ta to polo kala mi ya oi le ring vai ngau le woli ia le le fai o se tanganta e tele fie te tongi sana o lau tava ia po ni sana fo ale fa ma si donga ua umale na tu ina tu ya te oi ia o le tala fie la le ding mo oi wa mai le sound nga le minister le o fa ma si donga fai ele totongia ua ausana. O lono winga. E ono anga va oe le mele ta ole na ala ai le fai. E ama ole ala ua ia saundo ai e whapea. Whamai. O le to tele o lau whainga aluenga le ala wha msinonga po tangata i ta ua ubeilis. O lea ua anga ia tunei. E scan ia mo meo ta vale. O lo paka ilunga le awala. E scan ala toa fo. La to le sene. O se tasi nei o polo kalame. O lea ua tu vai luai nei le balo. E misila matanga alwenga leo wha masidonga. Ia i la tau. O lo o tau sola. Pe o lo o mumusu. E tutongi a la tau sala. Ia ma whaini si tūlanga voi le whiutana inga. E kaufofo ai le whawhita uli leo le tongi o sala. O mai le va o le masino yu lai tau sangante neima le aso for raile o le vai aso nti invaya today. E sili antu ma le wha se lau ta vale. O a whapea lea o na avi. O na avi se mai no fuanga ia. Ia ma le tūlanta i le fitu se lau ta vale. O lea ua whapea nei. O na lokaina o la tu pau. Ioi. Ma ua mawai nei ma le se leni ala mtanga alwena. E o antulo na te le wha tesi ma le lua miliona tala. Sa no le minister ya Paul Goldsmith. O whai tele si vai. O le ngā luenga le sa whaia ia i lato. Lea e mumuso tongi a lato sala. O le mafu angala lea wai whai ai le tala. I le au whai ngā luenga. Ina ia tu mai. Ina ia au mai tonu a lato sala ia wa le vanga whaaka bilo. Ia e misila wai lato. O lea eo o mai le so. I le tongi a stala e tas. Ia lato sala. O longa winga, whaai ke kere mea ngai panka lau ka vali. Ma e mana tualere. Ele na o lau tuska pakavui e savali vali sol. O nai toi tusia ia ka panka ia lai sene o tavale vai temine. Mana tuana wai ia tātou trailers wai e lunga le moto wai. Kamba ngai pe uma le mole meo le speed camera. O na wai e tonu ona le meo le camera nga wai e tonu. Ia tātou la vai e le whioa i lunga o le telema paka i lunga le awal. O le nā fwoi wai ei ta vale le Auckland Transport. O nā ua iai ia cameras. O tamalana. Ioi, e kaule ka ua kwa ia o nā ua pu e lau sene o lau ta vale. A mauti noa la e ling tongi e lau sana. O lono winga. E una e toa watu i lau ta vale. A le pipi i e le loka fo i le pa. Ia o laua le eise ta vale le mea ngangkuhe. E se vole finga o sua ngā kupe si e wali i e ringi vai kau. Ia e le eise tātou me mawhai. A whai ia o nana i e sau sala a nei te loa. O lai sa o le mea nganga e pakai. Ia alu ave lau whinaunga. Ave lau whinaunga. A wete no fwa. Ai a whaina e sila fia o ngai ke se. O lono winga. Whai se wha tūla nganga foile. E tongi e lau sa. Ai newa peo lau sola. Ia wau le a fulalanga. Ia a fua i e le wha se lau ma le fiku se lau longa winga. Ua afe se lau ta vali. Wha se lau lea wa ave foile le loka. Ia ma le fiku se lau le nkaloka ala koupa. Oka e. Ia lo no winga. Ia le tō telo i la tūna le usa vata. Ia pe ua ngā ilo ma le pasi. Ia pe ua whaala vela vei loa i si tanga tole ai. Te la kwa se mulia koi kai o. Te mai ia lau ka aval. Ngā le alu sau e leo kua spinsi.
Down the Vaisingano, down the river flows. Down the Vaisingano, oh where my darling goes. Oh down the Vaisingano, down the river river flows. Down the Vaisingano, oh kiss but never tell. So we are oil pele, e solo tu famaoni, i nei maolo taso o se io o i leoti. Ai fefesi o loto ne io mao oli oli, te iane wale taulau, fola vale follow oli. Oh down the Vaisingano, down the river flows. Down the Vaisingano, oh where my darling goes. Oh down the Vaisingano, down the river flows. Down the Vaisingano, oh kiss but never tell. E tinga lava, se ala naoa, oh se lave lave mai, oh se lotoa. Ai uale mafai, ele Manuel sopa, e tau o solava ile mea poxa. Oh down the Vaisingano, down the river flows. Down the Vaisingano, oh where my darling goes. Oh down the Vaisingano, down the river flows. Down the Vaisingano, oh kiss but never tell. Down the river flows. Down the Vaisingano, oh where my darling goes. Oh down the Vaisingano, down the river flows. Down the Vaisingano, oh kiss but never tell. Oh down the Vaisingano, down the river flows. Down the Vaisingano, oh where my darling goes. Oh down the Vaisingano, down the river flows. Down the Vaisingano, oh kiss but never tell. Down the Vaisingano, down the river flows. Down the Vaisingano, oh where my darling goes. Oh down the Vaisingano.
E whātalo whātu I lau whaafonga le nei tūla o le awauli a maia o nisi nei o tātou report I mwhaina tū whātasia e lau Radio Samoa. E tō tolo ni a li iwa mōlia nei lumor whaam sinonga I ngai o inga tau whaasese. E au whiai se sa ave ma whaatonu po se manager o se tasi o pūlenga po councils. Whamawina o ia ngai o inga so tūla whono na mawhai o no lātou maua ai le silia ma le se fulu lua miliona tā la. Ai whaatautai le nei whaamsinonga na te ena umai ia li e to tolu o lātou mōlianga. Tāwe reporti na whaatino e ia tangata e to tolu o ni whainga tau whaasesea nga I pūlenga po councils a aukilani makapiti. Whamanino mai le sui o le Serious Fraud Office po le SFO e tofu ia li ma mōlianga ta ilua. Fesota ile le maua ai o tupe e ala I whainga tau whaasese. Whamawina lo masalo mia le SFO o le sa whainga luenga le council sa ngā lue I ngā luenga te tele mō le pūlenga o lo o awhia a I le taimi lava lea sa ia whaatautai ai fo o se company insinia whaatasi ai mai sia li e to lua. O lo tua ia na ia whaongaina lona tūlanga I te tonu o le council e whesui ia I ma whaasese ai le whaasolonga o le whiwhili ai o company e maua kon karate mo ia ngā luenga te tele. Tā ua le SFO e tusa ma le tasi tesi ma le 7 miliona tā la na maua le company ma le Auckland Council I le vao le lua afes fuma tasi ma le lua afes fuma lima. E se fulu tesi ma le 5 miliona na maua mai le Kapiti Coast District Council I le vao le lua afes fuma lima ma le lua o lua wha. Na tūla I uma I lātou le whaamsinonga whaitu mālo I Porirua. Lea na o lātou te enai mōlianga whaia whaasanga ia I lātou. Ai wa tā ua o le a whaasolo lea whaamsinonga mai iai whaatonu po le jury trial. O lo tā whia uma le whaalauiloa ina Whaalawe tele o sua foia li e tolu. E toi wala au lea whaamsinonga i le aso suma limo se tema. Inisa talo o whaamaonia mai nei le mawhai e o nonofo o se tamaititi ma sona tua whawhine mai Amerika i tono New Zealand. E ala i tūlanga o surwhainga pole asylum i tono le atunu. Ina ua mae a se ilo ilonga o tūlanga tau puipuinga mo ia whanau. Whailoa mai whaamaumaunga a le malo i le taimi nei e silia ma le lua se fulutanga ta Amerika o talo sanga mo asylums i tonu o New Zealand. Talo mai le tau sanga lua o. Ai whaamauina o ia whanau e whaape o ni tangata nuu Amerika ma tangata nuu Yoritana. Mana talia o la ua talo sanga o no popo lenga ilo la saonga le mu. Pe a whai e toi awina atu i Yoritana. Ta ripoti ma le tio whawa malo a New Zealand e le ima mao atu lava na talia le talo sanga o lo latina. O se tamai ta i Yoritana, ona o ni mata apu tau i sauwanga i tono ainga na awhiai. Ta ua le Immigration and Protection Tribunal o la topopo lenga, i le ono toi whaafoi ato whanau Yoritana, i lalo le vava ainga o lo lato tama, lea na sosola SMI ai, ona o le sawa tele. Peitai o le tele o isi talo sanga a tangata Amerika mo asylum i tono New Zealand, lea ua whaamawina o te ena. Ona o nisi o ia talo sanga na wha mai i popolenga i winga i la au malosi, o fe ese inga wha porkiki, matulanga o le COVID-19 leiva. Mai tala mulmuli o whaamania mai nei le tāpena ai o le lakapiliki a Ausitalia, e au mai i New Zealand le taalonga o le State of Origin, ma le a whaatautaia mō le ulua i taimi to tonu o Aotearoa nei. Ua whaamaunia o le taalonga lona lua o le whaangasoloai o le tāmirsanga a lii, i le tausanga fau o le a whaiale i Eden Park au kilani i le asolulu sfumale ono Iuni lua o lo fitu. Whamauina o le afuafuele NRL le whaatino ai o po Kalamia mo le vai aso atoa i le anga atu le taalonga i Eden Park. Ma o le a whiai foi se taalonga le New Zealand Warriors i le aso sa au le whetaui le Queensland Maroons ma le New South Wales Blues. Na sau no le pule le NRL ya Peter Vilandis o le State of Origin e ese lava tūlanga o whaatino ai o lea tāmirisanga mai isio taalonga i totono Ausitalia. Ma ua toa tele tangata mai isio atunu ua moli mawina le fia tele i ai i lea tāmirisanga o le lakapiliki. Tā ua e tusa ma le 5 afi tangata i mawhaiona o i le malai o le Eden Park. Ma o loo whaamoemoe e lo lofi mai ai le toa tele e mulimulita ia lea taalonga mai Ausitalia, New Zealand, whape ai maa tunu i whafo. O nisi nao tātou reporti o mwhaina tū whaatisia lo Radio Samoa mo lau whaafonga anga, whaafetai whaafonga mai, tau whaasoifua.
E mole atulanga whaautai le whiunga ia leunua i lia i se hutula vaenga o telefau ala Radio Samoa i le ria woli. E malatoia u datu dau tātou tala i peo na sai whaafonga i leitu lai lua e lea woli o le so. O le taimi lau se atia 5 malai whamiru tau te nele i tulai tolu wha malo antu mwha tala wha tui mātua e le ngatai leo le whana wa onga leu tua onga o le reia salulu tala wha mai tiwa mai au tonga mai lea onga i le reia so ea sa e anu lea onga sa e tam le leima i tenia le leia ea wha mau leilo fuspa tono le tāpani wa aipena e luan tu mau mea onga e o yo atu il whale wape e la ngalora o ako i lea onga ngalora o api ngalora o pengi le lei fa maule fu spau ma usta i le au tavali o le vainga nei le tātou tala o le tau e pe ona au na mai le official va i tau wa la va i lo no for see la fia le di fo i vainga o le woli nei o le solulu ya wa la le long puiri o lo topa ia ma lo to ma foi e tulanga pe o le yai wing o le tau le nganta mo i tātou i nei au kilani before ia lo tātou fa surubanga lea i Samoa o winga o le tau i le so pa mai e langi le lei le tau pe ona mole mawina le sulu mātango fia mai o ave o le la sulu tolu tikiri le ma whanawhana o le so peita e whai asi malulu ari pe a e tui whaf au lai angi mali e mali savi awala ne e se tia vave i le whape o le la ai le fai pelo o ma fan mai alu fa Ya, le da o le nga ia tu le poana nei. O le angoto le lai le toiva miru te le tulai ono i le fiafi a o le malulula tanto nei au kilani. I le poana nei. E le kele se piko tonu tikiri le malulu. Lea o le awhita ia I mai tanto le poana. Yo. Ko nua prankeke ia fa o fuma fanafana lima pea ko kingi ke a malulu. Venga mola soan taiamo au kilani o sonne le lai le toi lumiru te le tulai fitu I le taiao. E le lei winga o le tau I le amatanga o le taiao. Ia ma o le ie fui no fuanga o le ie le morning frost. Ia po le kako isa manifi fui le. O na wha tupula ia le o le ahawaoa I le anga iatu I le ahawoli. E ono ie fui na ia wanga I tolu vava saloa I taimi o le ahawoli. So really o le angi mai le tu I saute I le asoa taiao. Ja, toi whatalawha toi le rivaenga o le fiafi Samoa. E o tātu ainga, wō mai masani alo whapelea o na mafuta mai. Le rivaenga o le aso I Samoa. Ma lo la ngā lue. E malo fo I le taua tai tuta ngā luenga pe o le whenga ye o le dawa se antu ia valu. Miru tau te ni le whai Samoa. O winga o le tau, o au o savili o le mata polu savili mai sasai. O lo o fiti ai pia Samoa mai au mai au marai timu, e a awhiai le antero o inisi o taimi. O le vainga mo le soe ma tele ina le lei winga o le tau. E tu mua, o le tala fiafiele o yaini fautuanga po ni laptaina mo Samoa. O le vainga mo le mo tele I sala fai I le so, e ma tele ina le lei winga o le tau. E pei o na ta o mai. O le venga mo le soa tai au, o le au futis vanga le langi au, ma e ono wha tau savili e nisi o taimi. O le tulanga nei pe oni e winga o le tau I le so, anto ai foi, ma le soa tai au le nganta mo I tantou nei au kilani, e pe foi lo tantou wha silabanga e Samoa.
Tasilima I Watolu Amo. Radio Samoa.
Hi everyone! New Zealand's 2026 general election is coming soon. And this time it's different. You now need to enrol before voting starts. We're out telling everyone, aren't we, pup?
Remember, if you want to vote, you need to enrol first. Do it by 25 October at vote.nz. If you're already enrolled, you'll receive a pack from us soon. Just open it up, check your details are correct, and you're good to go. Brought to you by the Electoral Commission.
Omega Cars, lua selau Cavendish Drive I Manukau. Po le telefoni o iwa lua fitu lima valu tasi lua.
Susu mai Manukau ne Omega Cars. Umalole keisile Omega Cars.
Manu maloi se pepatala o loa mo au whataunga I le Pack and Save Bolini World. Pe o tu fuafoi lau tavale le pango le BP. O whamurianga nei mai le DC Sao. Pe a e maloi alantu sei I aso whareile te tasi. Lafo sau topa tolus fultala pesili atu. E maua ilo wavanoa I le sei. Whapena foi pe a lafo sau se leni e tolus e lau tala New Zealand pesili atu foi I Samoa. I le MyCash a le DC Sao. E whaunga I le ClickX. E lima whailonga tai se lau tala shopping vouchers. Ma le lima petrol vouchers ta I se lautala o le aseina I aso for Rayleigh Taktasi e ia inga o le rei whaabitoa Sekia Digicel.
Eva mai pēr I te radio kasi lima I wakolu a mo.
O le temilongo wanti le radio Sam o le rivaingo lea woli o lewa se antu le taimi as fulmalatasi mirute o te ai nei le tulai tolu fie foi le nganga I le rivaingo lea woli o lewa tolu mai ala ma lo fo ia wale tatou whaatalaroanga. Inisi fo mataua e au fiai tatou tangata Samoa I to tonu o ni usila nei. Ja, e whaatalavantu le rivaingo lea woli I lau fionga nai ma lo soi fumanuia ma le langi ma. Welcome back.
Malo Sefua, great to be back. Thank you very much. Papte lava.
Malo, ia. Ea mai le ni vai tau le tau malulu. Ai longa o e la ngona le malulu.
Look along. I think it's pretty obvious. I'm feeling the cold out there.
It's a beautiful day today, but don't get distracted by the beautiful sunshine. It's really cold, eh?
Sun's great. You get in the shade, you feel it very quickly.
Absolutely. Well, welcome back, Anai. It's good to have you back. This is our second time round talking about what you are working on. Now, the last time we spoke about the visitor's visa, as well as the citizenship that you worked on with some of our people. And you also spoke briefly about the pension that we can gain in residing in Samoa after working in New Zealand for a long time.
That's correct, yes. So briefly we'll touch on the present petition that's in place for the quota.
Yes.
Just to remind our people there how important it is. Mese Samoa, au vai kalavo umana o la koe affected mengi o le quota le kau whai I le sui le whainga quota. You know, what we're asking for is to change that when your name is drawn, you get a 6-month work permit to come and find the job. And this is extremely important, Yakakohuma, right?
Yeah.
So it is the problem I'm having at the moment. We're very slow in signing the petition. And we really have to motivate that. So we've just formed Pacific Justice Samoa with Olivia Black and her team, who are going to do some great work for us in Samoa. We're looking forward to supporting them in the work they're doing to motivate the young generation to sign. The benefactors of this, as you know, is the young generation coming through.
That's right.
To make sure that all the positions on the quota are filled. That is our challenge and our outcome. And so the more of us who support this will put the pressure on the New Zealand government to seriously consider what we're saying. So, me ngā lesa whikoe karango as far as the quota is concerned. But let's now go back to the portability of pension. This is something that we need to know, especially Kākoi Samoa.
Yeah.
Well, me ringe maka mai leso mō October 1999, in the first term, no Kongo o le Parlemene, it was supposed by the late Sir Bill Birch, who stood by me and made sure that the Pacific people got what they wanted. So basically what it is, all Pacific people who have lived in New Zealand and worked for 20 years can, on retirement, go back to Samoa or anywhere in the Pacific where they come from and get their full pension paid to them in Samoa or wherever, in this case.
Does it matter which, at which stage of your age do you have to work 20 years in New Zealand?
Nope. As long as they have worked for 20 years. Okay, so for example, if you worked from 20 years to 40 years and you go overseas, you are required to come back between age 50 and 65 and spend 5 years intermittently. Right? And then you retire in New Zealand and apply for portability. This is the part of the Act that I'm trying to make some changes and adjustment to. I accepted it when I put this together in the first place. We wanted something, and I didn't want anything to block that happening, so we accepted it. Now, after nearly 30 years or whatever it is, since we've started this, I think that there has to be a change from both Samoa's point of view and New Zealand's point of view. And this is that instead of coming back for that intermittent 5 years, they come back and retire in New Zealand and then apply for portability of pension.
They don't have to work again for that 5 years.
Well, it's not that they work for those 5 years. They're going to be taxing the taxpayer because they have access to hospitals, to housing, to all the services that a New Zealander is entitled to. And bear in mind, we are all New Zealanders at this stage. We have a New Zealand citizenship and passports, etc. And so this is all in place. And I'm glad we're talking about it because a lot of people have forgotten that this exists and don't even know. This was put together basically by saying, look, our people come from the Pacific to live in New Zealand and work in New Zealand to give their children opportunities. But they have a responsibility to their families in Samoa and their aingas and their ngukus, etc. And we should consider that it is beneficial to New Zealand for them to go home rather than live here and be entitled to all the benefits of hospitalisation, etc., when their heart is really to go back to Samoa and do their duties at that particular age of their lives. So this was a big plus for everybody and worked well. And it's the same thing I was trying to make when we talked about the citizenship.
Yep.
And I did ask them that at that time they should allow those who are entitled to still live in Samoa, but to be paid their pension, because they were denied their rights by the New Zealand government after the highest court of New Zealand approved it all. And they rejected that.
So at this stage tonight, if somebody, say for example, retires today or tomorrow,
yes,
and then they go off to Samoa, they want to live in Samoa, can they still get their pension?
Absolutely. Today, all day. If you retire today, you can go to see the office and just say, I want to retire and live in Samoa, and I want my pension paid to me in Samoa. It's automatic. It'll be done.
So what's the difference between that and what you want at the moment?
All it is that at the moment, they need to come, if they're living overseas, they are required to come here for that 5-year period until they turn 65. The difference is these people are already here.
Yes.
They are retiring here.
Yep.
So they have that. And, you know, things are changing in the world quite fast, especially here in New Zealand and everywhere else.
Yes.
And a lot of our old people retiring, they want to go back home.
Absolutely. It's warm.
You know, everything's there, and Samoa's developing at a pace at the moment.
Yes.
And so my advice has always been from day one, make sure you buy a piece of land in freehold somewhere in a pier, so that's where you can build a small house and live there. And then in the weekends you go to your village and do your jobs that you're supposed to do.
Yep.
Because with all due respect, if you live in the village, you're the new bank in the village.
Speaking from experience there, aren't I?
No, but that's the outcome, as we all know. And but, you know, at the end, you run away and come back home again because you end up nothing. And I've heard so many cases of families who've gone for Christmas with their children, and children want to come home. They've had enough of it because there's nothing. Everything they've got's gone. They didn't really enjoy themselves. And we see a new change coming now. Instead of living in the village, they go to the hotel where their kids can enjoy everything, but still go and see the aingas is what they went for and what they wanted to do. So it's a balance of both.
So you want people to work in New Zealand for 20 years, and if they go away, they go away. They don't have to come back and stay here for 5 years?
What I want to make the change is that requirement to come back for 5 years between 50 and 65. I think it's unnecessary. I think it's just a drain on the New Zealand taxpayer because when they come back at that age, they're not going to work. But they're going to be entitled to the health, to housing, to all the things that you are entitled to as a New Zealander. They don't want to do that. They actually want to stay where they are and continue what the things they're doing for their families.
Because they're entitled already to the pension.
Exactly.
Aha. All right. Well, there you go. No whafunganti le tātou turu mana ia fui le swing. A wā lava ia le tāwhia i leo toi fo I meo tātou. Mai le mawhana whanau sā moe na wamai. O na inga lui tono New Zealand mo le luas fun tausang. Ia a o le whamele tūla whana tau na i toi nofo I New Zealand mo le isi 5 tausang. Ia na whato am whai leo na talalau pensio na tono le tātou turu. Well, how is the petition coming along? And I heard you say it's slow. Why do you think it's slow?
Well, I'm not too sure. I mean, I think that's the reason why Pacific Justice Samoa has been set up, to try and keep it alive in Samoa, talk to all the people and say, listen, get up there and make this happen by signing the petition. Because with all due respect, it doesn't matter what work we do. If they don't support this, that, you know, it's very difficult. Sorry, I'll just kill this.
That's okay. Yeah, nei fa formele tanto to do le fu I vang ole wo fa talonga. Ja, maar die tai le tanto fa la potonga wo fa ngoi no Pacific Justice le yonga ya nei afa nei stasio te mali wo lo to sanga tono o po fa yo le mano New Zealand. Ja, le fu to nga lui. You know, you're retired, and why are you still doing this work? I believe I asked that question. I asked you that question a couple of times before.
Yep, everybody asked that, but to be quite honest, yes, I don't have to do this. I can have an easy life, but the fact is, we are brought in this world to do certain things. And at my age of life now, and whatever's left, I think we have to take the responsibility to correct the errors of life that we've had to live here unnecessarily. And so all those around me, my group of Pacific Justice, and as I said, we've got Pacific Justice Samoa, Tuvalu's being set up, and I'm hoping the others, because we all have a responsibility.
Yep.
You know, one thing we have to accept about life, when you get to this age and you think you're comfortable, you're not comfortable if you're not doing anything that is good for other people.
Yep.
That's our responsibility to all of us, and hopefully we all do that with a clean heart and do it. So that's the background as to why we do all these things. Too many things. I've lived here a long time. I've seen the way we've been treated for too long. And we've never fought back.
Yep.
We've never fought back because we worked on this basis. We're governed by whālualu.
Yeah.
Respect. So we respect the fact that we have an opportunity to be here. That's one thing. But the fact is, there are rights of equality and justice.
Yes.
And that's all we're fighting for here. We're not asking for anything over and above anybody else. No, we're not. We just want to be treated the same as everybody else. And so that's the importance of this one here. But, you know, as I say, right now, where are we with things? So next Thursday, I will be back in Wellington.
Yep.
It is a meeting, again, by the Petitions Committee. This time is not with me, and I'm not allowed to speak, but I said I'm coming because I want to eyeball and listen to what people are going to say.
Yep.
And the people that are fronting this time is New Zealand Immigration. So it's going to be very interesting, and I think people can find how to connect in and listen and watch.
Yep.
Because they're going to tell us their side of the story and why they're treating us this particular way. I saw a report recently, the 2025 immigration report, and it said Samoans, 99.8% or 98.9% all went back within the requirements of their visas. So they broke nothing.
Yep.
Why do they keep on treating us this way? Why do they put up these block walls to say, oh, they're overstayers and all the rubbish that goes on?
Because that's the only reason why they're blocking us, right?
That's what they say. And these figures stick out a mile away. There's nothing wrong here. And they've had to say, yes, we did abide by the rules, right?
Yep.
So it's going to be very interesting for everyone just to hear what they are going to say to the Petitions Committee next week. When the Petition Committee is going to ask them, what are the problems? Tell us the issues. Why are you holding back on the Pacific people being treated fairly and equally and with justice as per anybody else?
You know, the other thing that really pisses me off, you spoke about this last time we were here, Anai, is when we have a funeral, right?
Yes.
And our families, mothers and fathers, or even brothers and sisters, or aunties and uncles, cannot make it on time.
No.
That's pathetic, Anai.
Absolutely pathetic. Look, I tell you what, there's enough cases around how we've been treated for funerals, for other things which are urgent, by the New Zealand Immigration. We could write a book and fill it with all the different stories. And I'm telling you, I get calls every week about problems that I, at this point in time, can't help. I mean, one recently, which I'm going to be talking to the people tomorrow, is to do with a family who adopted 2 children to come here, went through all the procedures, got all the approvals, they came here, then they turned around and refused to issue them with their passports and visas. And they've had to go back. And now, my answer to this one here, it has to be inspected at some point of time. Because if they have pre-approved and they've spent their money and their time, how can you do this to them? How can you do it to anybody?
Yep.
Those are the questions, and these are the questions that immigration officials need to answer. And I'll tell you where I've got them caught right now. First of all, 2008, there was an Act of Parliament that said New Zealand immigration can only deal with registered immigration consultants.
Yes.
That they themselves approved. Well, let me tell you this much. They never, ever applied that ruling.
Really?
Never. That's why some people, and some I won't say names that we all know, dealing on behalf of people, taking their money and filing papers and waiting for an answer, but what they didn't complete the whole operation, right? And so here am I sitting at home, I've done my thing, I've paid the money, I've filled the forms, and I'm waiting patiently, and the next thing I'm told I'm an overstayer. Now, how can I be blamed for that when they accepted a third party who's not supposed to act on behalf of anybody, but they did?
Yes.
And I'm saying they have a responsibility back to the people that were deported or affected to issue them a clean space now. And what I mean by that is the overstaying is gone.
Yep.
They now have a clean slate to reapply and be treated equally again. Or, if we really want to get it right, these people that were affected unfairly, and I repeat, unfairly, should be allowed to pick up the slots of the quota that was never filled, because the rules and regulations applied just didn't fit. There's another case I can remember as we speak right now. Someone had a job offer.
Yes.
By the time they went to get it all approved, the job's gone because who's going to sit around waiting for a year for approval? I'm not, and nobody else will, right?
Yep.
Got a second one, same thing. And you know what they did to the third time? They said, yes, you got 2 weeks to go and get a job offer. Now, how does somebody living in Samoa, get a job offer to them within 2 weeks?
Man.
Right? I mean, there's just so much. It just makes us all angry as we think and talk about it. And I just hope and pray that at the end of the day, what we are fighting for will become active, hopefully, before the elections. Very hard now, I can tell you right now.
Yep.
Because after the meeting next Thursday, they have 3 weeks to finalise their submissions back into Parliament of their report and what their recommendations are. By the time that's all done, it'll be election time.
Yep.
So we can then have to wait, maybe, until the after the election. Now, whilst I wanted this for so long to happen quickly, there are some pluses if we wait.
Yeah.
And this is the plus. If it goes through and they argue, let's put this through to a select committee and hear it, if this goes to a select committee, the second reading, and they ask for submissions from the Pacific people, I want to see more than 100 submissions hit the desks saying this is how we've been treated and we want this sorted out. That then will make all the people of Parliament wake up and say, what the hell is going on here? And things have to be sorted out. Now, let me tell you, if that did not happen for the Samoan citizenship case, it would be still the same. But because they heard 25,000 submissions were put forward, they had no choice. Even National, who blocked it right at their start, had to change its mind and join the rest of them, and they all together approved the New Zealand citizenship for the Samoan people. But as I say, there are some issues there that I'm still not happy with and should be resolved. And I'm only saying this because the Privy Council stated this, and we should accept that. There should be no argument. The only thing that I'm not arguing for is it did say heirs. Now, my problem, and I agree with this because Lauli's concerned about it, Fiumea was concerned about it, and that is mass migration of Samoa.
Yes.
And we do not want that in any particular way at all. I think that thrilled me most at the moment is the young New Zealand-born, Australian-born, or American-born Samoan who is now finding their way back home, establishing business, seeing a future there. And let's face it, we are growing every day. A future is there for those who want to take their talents and go home and make it work. They will have a much happier and purposeful life than they're having in New Zealand right now.
That's right. Why do you think, Anaya, that we've been treated this way this long?
From day one.
Why do you think that is?
That's the big question. Why have they treated it this way? As I said to them, you give visa on arrival to people you went to war with.
Yeah.
To people who have done nothing for this country. Nothing. And here we are, the people who came in the 40s and helped build this nation and still are the ones manning the factories and development, and we get treated this way. That's the question I have written to all members of Parliament. That when you receive the report from the Petitions Committee, you need to look at this very, very seriously and ask these questions. And the question is, why? Why?
Yeah.
Why do we treat the Pacific people so disrespectfully?
Thank you for that, Anaya. Now let's talk about the visa, right? As you mentioned just before, how many countries come to New Zealand and they don't have to worry about any visas again?
There are 61 countries who could come to New Zealand, either direct or via Australia.
Yeah.
Right? Now, I think I mentioned last time, this free trade agreement with India. It is the first free trade agreement that I know from New Zealand where immigration has come into it. And as you know, they're talking about 5,000 per year coming here for study and can eventually live in New Zealand. So my question is, which hasn't been answered, and they're not asking or telling anybody the facts, but if they allow India to come to New Zealand and get a visa, a visitor's visa on arrival, that will add another 1.5 billion people to the 3.2 that already get this privilege, and the less than 16 million Pacific people get nothing.
Man.
Nothing. You know, just treated as second-class citizens, and one day they better wake up. We have put them at centre stage for so many things. Right? There's just so many things that Pacific people have done, not only in sports, Look at the opera. Huh? Look at what's going with Patti and what he's doing.
Yes.
All over the world.
Mm-hmm.
So don't ever tell me you can't do it, because I think that's the biggest bullshit I've ever heard in my
That's
life.
right.
And I won't accept that from anybody, because we can do and have done and proved we have the ability to do everything and anything in this country or anywhere else in the world. Just give us the opportunity.
Mm-hmm. And what about the All Blacks, eh?
Exactly. I laugh at Australia and New Zealand mainly because you know that Australia had a white-only policy many, many years ago.
Yep.
Well, without the Pacific boys, they'll have no rugby team or nothing.
That's right. It's amazing what's happening between New Zealand and Australia. Eh? They have a lot of Tongans and Samoans and other ethnicities playing for their teams. And yet when we come to immigration matters, we are swept under the carpet today.
Continuously. And also, New Zealand should realise something. The number of Pacific growing in Australia is huge.
Yes.
And that's thankful to their stand alone.
Yeah.
Because today the bulk of Pacific people in this country are born here.
Mm-hmm.
Very few are allowed in as residents per year.
Yep.
They got to climb Mount Everest twice and still fail.
Mm-hmm.
That's how they treat us. So, we are building up strength in Australia and getting recognised in Australia
Yep.
and respected.
Mm-hmm.
And I can say to you right now that Australia is doing more in the Pacific
Yes.
than New Zealand is.
Absolutely.
A lot more. And that's not because Winston's not doing his job. He's doing it backwards and flipping over backwards to do everything he can, but he's got limited budgets to work with.
Yes.
Where Australia has said, hold on, the Pacific is the future.
Uh-huh.
The Pacific is the future. We are the 8th continent of the world in the Pacific.
Mm-hmm.
The educated countries like China and America now know there's something under that water.
That's right.
Very valuable stuff under that water. Australia also knows. And New Zealand is saying, no, we want to go play All Blacks with the big boys. Forget about the Pacific. They don't care. But we need their boys to come play for us, otherwise we won't win.
So all they are doing is take and never give, eh?
It's rather sad. I love this country. I've lived here all my life.
Yep.
I came here when I was 5 years old, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's a country that's given opportunities not only to me, but everybody.
Yes.
It is a country full of opportunity as long as you want to give your backside and make it work.
Mm.
If you think you're going to sit in the dole and survive in this country, that's why we're labelled.
Yep.
That's why we're labelled.
Mm-hmm.
And I know one time I was in Samoa and people only talk, let's go to New Zealand and get on the dole. I said, no, we don't want people like you, thank you very much.
Yes.
Because you're the ones that's pulling us down,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm.
So all those people who live in that, they've got to consider themselves what they're actually doing. But on the other hand, I can't blame them.
Yep.
If you lose your job and no one's there to help you or give you opportunities,
Mm-hmm.
we're not being lazy. We've just been left this way.
Yep.
And I've heard of cases of some of our people living in a van but still has a job.
Really?
Because they're not earning enough from the job to pay for the rent.
Wow.
Right? And I warned the Auckland Council when I said, you have a tsunami of homeless coming to this country.
Mm.
And they just laughed at me and thought, what the hell? What are you talking about? And after it all, and when Len Brown had left the council, I did, he says, how did you know all this is going to happen? I said, well, quite simple. If it costs $800,000 to buy a house, and you need $200,000 deposit,
Yep.
and how much do you think I need per week to pay my mortgage?
Mm.
And that could be $800 or more.
Yes.
And so, how does anybody pay that in rent?
It's ridiculous, really.
That's the situation we are living in New Zealand today.
Mm.
And then the government comes out and says, we're going to collect all the homeless, and what are they going to do with them?
Move them on.
Where? Huh? You shouldn't open your mouth about doing something unless you've got a solution for it before you start.
Absolutely.
And they got no solution, right?
Yep.
And all over the world there are homeless.
Mm.
And homeless never was here. It was never here.
Mm.
It's growing every day.
Yep.
But you can't blame these people. First of all, they don't have a job.
Yep.
They don't get enough from the dole to even pay for rent.
Mm.
And right now I can tell you that people are doubling up and tripling up in houses to stay in a house and afford the rent.
Mm.
Because Auckland is becoming a very expensive city to live in.
Yes.
Right? And even now the people who built all these new apartments, they can't sell them.
Mm.
So now they're renting them.
Yep.
And they still talk about Auckland growing by another 500,000 people over the next 10 years or more. And I believe that's going to happen.
Yep.
And all that's going to happen, the price of property continues to reach the moon.
Mm.
And so is the cost of rent.
Yep.
Because you can't tell a landlord you've got to keep your rent. How can he? How can he keep it down here when he's got to pay a mortgage twice the price?
Yep.
It doesn't work. That's just common sense.
So what's your advice, Anai, to those who have yet to sign the petition, especially our people in Samoa?
I'm just saying, look, I don't know what it is holding you back, but you can never blame Pacific Justice for not fighting for your rights. We have done that and we are fighting.
Yep.
For us to win for you, get off your backside and go and sign the petition. We've tried to make it as simple as possible, right? The QR code is there. Click on it, go straight through, put your name and your email address. If you don't have one, use your Ainga's email address, but do it. And I think that now that we have a strong team in Samoa starting to motivate things, I'm hoping that we will see something in the next 2 months changing. We, the Pacific Justice team, hope to go to Samoa sometime in the next 2 months. We are just waiting to see where the visa one goes first. Once we know where that's heading, we know how we position ourselves for the move to support the quota, which is now the big thing in the front of us. And then we come back to the other things we want to do. We're looking at the portability of pension things and re-look at the citizenship issues. There's things there that needs to be tidied up. So all we're trying to do here is fix the wrong for our people, make adjustments for a better arrangements for everybody to live off and be happy with. Nothing more. I will never put my hand up to say I want something that somebody else hasn't got. Because that's not being fair. And that way you just get people turning against you. Well, we don't want that. We need all the support from across New Zealand to be part of what Pacific Justice is trying to do.
Absolutely. It's been another pleasure having you in the studio with us today, Lauwhionga Anai. Final word from you for all our listeners today.
Well, first of all, thank you very much for listening in. I mean, the only way we can get our message out to our people is through this media and the others that follow us. And all I'm asking, we don't do this for fun. We do this for you. And for you to help us get results for you, please go and vote and support the petitions. This time, it's the quota that we're doing. There'll be couple more coming up. The visa one is in the pipeline. We await the results. So Whawhai Te Lava, thank you very much. Without your support, we can't do very much, but we will always be here for you. That's what Pacific Justice was set up, all about, to stand up for the people of the Pacific. Whawhai Te Lava, Whawhai Te Lava.
Ja, maar we le ding fiafi Lauwhionga Anai. Fa so fo ia. O le nau mai mo ma fa mai le tanto utro o le fionga ia Anai afa Anai o le tamali i o le tanto utro. Loa tu sanga o tutua I upu whai o le malo New Zealand. Ia o le fo wa ia te ia le vaenga le o le Pacific Justice a walawa le fina wina le o mata upu e tawa fia ia tunu o le Pasifika e mise tanto Samoa o le fo ia le lala o le Pacific Justice Samoa a walawa ia le una ia le o mata upu ina ia wha fonga ia le malo New Zealand ma whai ia se lanto wha te taunga. O le teimi lewa tue lusul merute o na tale o le tula e wha.
Like to love me, Samoa, and then they who are my
Just think a minute. It could change everything.
Think a minute. Edwin Thomas was one of the greatest actors in the 1800s. He became world famous for his acting performances in Shakespeare's plays. Edwin's two brothers, John and Junius, were also actors, but they were not as talented as Edwin. Then one night, almost like a Shakespearean play, tragedy hit their whole family when the brother, John Wilkes Booth, shot and killed the American president, Abraham Lincoln, while Lincoln was in a theater watching a play. After that night, Edwin Thomas Booth's reputation was greatly hurt and damaged. In fact, shortly after his brother killed President Lincoln, Edwin actually quit acting and ended his very successful career. Many years later, Edwin tried to return to acting for a time, but he was never the same because he was filled with terrible shame and guilt from his brother murdering the president. Then one night, Edwin was getting on a train when it suddenly jolted forward. A young man next to him slipped and fell down onto the track by the moving train. Very quickly, Edwin risked his own life to reach down and pull the man back up to safety. A few days later, Edwin received a letter of thanks from the man whose life he had saved. The man had recognized Edwin as the famous actor and wanted to thank him again in a letter. You see, that young man whose life Edwin had saved was Robert Todd Lincoln, the son of the man Edwin's brother had killed. So while one brother had killed the president, the other brother had saved the president's son. Every one of us is guilty of doing wrong things in our life. Wrong words, wrong thoughts, wrong actions. And we can never completely make up for all the wrongs we've done, especially all the ways we've disobeyed and wronged our own Maker, God. That's why Jesus Christ came, to make up for all our wrongs and pay the penalty for us. So won't you ask Him to forgive you for all your wrongs and to give you His gift of new life? It's the only way you can go on to live and die free from guilt. Just think a minute.
Semana ai, ele mafai, ona fama
Malilo Locho Maile Vipesila Anointed Praise Leni Vainga Lea so ira o joy valumala afamirute on the tale link July 5 o tolunga to a dale programme ole think a minute mo oima we tanto maleria woli ole so lulua so sfulmaleva le masino kuso lua afe luas fulmaleo no la jo mo se si ona fa poponga ele temi masani la so antai
Tolu amo.
Ja, ele I tuolle de foile de vangele jafielo hele family ngale so fa naubula so for. Al sungal fa vinga ya Reverend Mwava Mika for me yolo family twina le so. Elo na fitus fun malelima tap sanga ya maru ye telena so for el tama. Mo peni sia so stele maftai ya male ainga olo o toma maftai elenga titono Lucila e from the young man to mama ya me say ya lo grandson ya Kian Mika ya polo kamale big DJ Big King ya ole mafuta me le vang ole fema ya onai ta penane ya la na ia lana mea lofa io lei lo se mea lofa o longo winga ka unga fa pefu lo foi mala ka man o tolunga tida mala tutu sambo mo ele de ya sululu la singa ngana wale tutu mali ile ta to maftanga poto ala tutu ile temi sasi la ai tete to le tuolo to soi fu amala man to ola ile so antai out to filo yai ilungo pol kalamne le fie mai le tu la se fulu le so antai pa tanto woli amruia na ilona lofa malona le ole o tamper mai le sa le sunga ya le anto se vea mal por kalame ole nganga ifo faiva ole emisia ia le fa ponga por kalame ole afo malu I fale pe o fa tasi mail fa tu ya me le palamo le nei fo I fiafi wala vale longo pu ya li lo tu pa ia ma lo o to malu tanto filo ia la so anta ilona lofa malona ngale ya e mole timidei maru ye tele la singa on to le ye fiafi ya elegant to le ofenga malo longa il po ana nei yo o firma fe te felwa yai e tanga yai aluma ave voilà au te fa mania ave voilà au
Tolo impata tu male penisula mai molino le tai tu pito ia pia si o utaula manaya e fe pula fi mai le sau o ata uma o fetu o le lani e sulungi ya umasia uhani a o basa vali le pasina se Yesu solo ya samo lo uatulu se ifai mafia fianga ye mama atene matama olo sisi vai mapepese matata lato tulele a omae mane ilano ole na o masia ukele ele mafai nanga ona ngalo le tafe mali o basingano lo no ai tine matama yunga lona awala lau papa le pasina se Yesu solo ya samo lo uatulu sama Olo sisi vai ma pepese Matata la tunulele A umae mane ilano le dio Na o umasi ya ubele Wafa apea ona lawi loa Ile lalo langi atoa Walai ona to atele Le au mai mo Ia Samoa Le masina se I esusulu Ia Samoa lo uaturu Ifai mafianga Ie banga atele matama Olo osisi vai mapepese Matata la